Organize your desktop. Cleaning hones the mind. Your desk is a mirror that reflects your inner mind. Take a look at the desks around you at the office. The people who always have tidy desktops are most likely good at their jobs. In contrast, those whose desks are always cluttered may be unsettled and have trouble focusing on their work. When things get out of order, straighten them out. When things get messy, clean them up. Before you finish work for the day, tidy up and straighten out your desktop. People who are in the habit of doing so feel more clear-headed. They are able to focus 100%, without distraction, on their work. In Zen temples, monks do cleaning every morning and every evening. We clean with all our hearts, though not because the temple is dirty. The purpose is not only to make the temple sparkle, but also to polish our minds through the act of cleaning. With every sweep of the broom, you clear out the dust in your mind. With every swipe of the cloth, your heart gleams brighter. This applies to your desk at the office as well as to the rooms in your home. Do not allow yourself to be disrupted by your anxieties or troubles. The key to keeping your mind invigorated is to first put the things around you in order.